celebration of our sixth president, Mr. Ramaphosa.
And I'm very honored to be part of such an event. Ndo takala nga maanḓa namusi ndo ḓi wana ndi tshi khou dzhenelela kha hoyu mushumo wa inauguration ya mupresidente wa vhoriṋe.
I'm happy to be here today to celebrate Mr. Ramaphosa as the president of South Africa.
As you know, I'm from the Royal Kingdom. The President and the Queen, we know all of them, they recognize the royalty. So it's an honor for me to be here.
I want to start off firstly by congratulating President Ramaphosa on his election to President of the Republic of South Africa. And that congratulatory message is on behalf of the Hellenic, Italian and Portuguese Alliance of South Africa.
The fact that, his inauguration was at the Loftus Stadium also speaks a lot about the fact that he really wants to be about the people. He's the president for the people, the president chosen by the people, and definitely chosen by me too.
The crowd was well accepted and we've been well cared for. And I'm also going to be part of the Tumamili program.
Today's presidential inauguration was heartwarming and hope-inspiring.
As ANC veterans, we were happy that today we are celebrating our sixth democracy. That is the sixth administration, meaning that for the next 5 years the country will be run by Cyril Ramaphosa and his new reduced cabinet.
The feeling in the room was almost the way we felt in 2010, especially during the opening game. And it also was feeling like 1994.
I think for us as veterans, this is a renewal. This is like the time when we got our independence in 1994, where the whole country was very happy, was very excited that we're having the first black president.
The difference though between today and 1994 is we already know we can do some things very well. We already know also what are our limitations, and therefore the hope that we have is not a hope based on lack of experience. It is hope that is based on sound knowledge of what we can and what we can't do, what we should stop doing and what we should start doing.
I stand today as a very proud South African. The speech that His Excellency our President rendered was enlightening, it was hopeful, it was a speech of a new dawn and called on all of us as South Africans to work towards the goal.
I am humbled by the trust that you have bestowed upon me, and I'm also aware of the challenges our country faces, but I'm also alive to the fact that our people are filled with hope for a better tomorrow.
I got hope and faith in the promise that he has made to the people of South Africa, particularly when he addressed the challenges of poverty and acknowledging that just too many people are still homeless.
The fact that firstly he took us back to the constitutional preamble and basically invited the country to look at that as the blueprint for the society we're trying to become. And that's the starting point, because when we do things without a vision, anything goes, and that's how things start falling apart. So he started with that vision.
Let us declare our shared determination that we shall end poverty in South Africa within a generation.
He is going to make sure that unemployment rate is reduced, that poverty is reduced, inequality is reduced, and the young people of the Republic of South Africa are more skilled to be innovative and ready for the fourth industrial revolution.
So we're looking to see how the president is going to integrate young people in his plans looking at fourth industrial revolution, and not only in that, but in his government.
We must use this innovative talent that originated in Africa to embrace and use the fourth industrial revolution to develop Africa, to create jobs for the youth and empower the women of our continent.
Your call today for us to embrace the social compact that you're looking to implement is a call that we will respond to. It is a call of a social compact that will start economic growth stimulus, it will start job creation, it will start and enhance further investments into our economy, assisting your investment drive, President.
I'm happy about the message, Mr. President. The slogan, Tuma Mina. We are taking the slogan seriously because we are saying, as you accept that we must Tuma you wena, we are asking you to accept us, to say we also take the challenge of saying Tuma Rona to Batuba Rona.
I'm looking forward to him creating opportunities for women in business like myself, as well as the youth, creating job opportunities for youth, and also just supporting small businesses.
And as a young industrialist, I think that the programs that he'll be actioning, especially when it comes to the revitalization of industrial areas, is something that I'm really passionate about, and I'd like to see the change that he really wants to put forward.
One thing I can pick up is that he says that we need to work together, and he is there to be served the nation. But you can't serve a nation when a nation has a pain. You first need to solve the story and heal the pain before you can serve a nation.
We as Khoisan nation, we have our own language, and that language in this government is not recognized. So we plead to this President Ramaphosa that he must recognize our language.
As a Khoi and San, my humble request to him is to stop treating our people as what the oppressors, the white people, says to us, that we are coloureds. We are not coloureds, we are Khoisan.
It's a very challenging inauguration for the president because he has to undo a lot of wrong things that have happened in the past 9 or 10 years.
The president called on the African people to begin to speak to each other. That the people of Africa must begin to interact socially, economically, and in fact made a bold call for South Africans to begin to look at economic opportunities in the north of South Africa.
He really ensured that Africa unite, that without Africa being united, we might not have a force to face the world. That Africa needs to unite, Africa needs to work together, Africa needs to love each other so that, for a better future of the continent of Africa.
As a young woman in South Africa and in Africa, it gives me so much hope because in the president's speech, he touched so much that has to do with our socio-economic and also in terms of having collaborative efforts between young people, and also empowering women, empowering, the economy of Africa.
Today is Africa Day. It's a day of friendship, solidarity and cooperation.
We are begging that let the African Union, the African presidents, the African Parliament, please rise up and make sure that the genocide that is happening in our country should stop. We come here with one voice. We are all Africans. We should not neglect what is happening in another part of Africa, please.
I think that he is a great leader. He will bring justice and integrity and dignity back to our government.
And so we, as veterans, were very happy that we're having a president who is credible, ethical, who's uniting all South Africans of all racial groups, because without that we won't be able to build this rainbow nation that we have.
We are saying the rainbow nation that we always talk about, we really want to see it.
The important thing is that we have to work with the people, don't take people for granted, don't ignore people, ensure that from day one people are part of the program of this government.
I'm looking forward to all the promises that were made. I'm looking forward for a new dawn in South Africa. I'm looking forward for the best future of South Africa after 25 years of democracy.
Tuma Rona, Dr. Cyril Ramaphosa, and Viva South Africa.
And we're looking forward to the work. President Situme, Tumatina, now so Tumegile, we are really happy. And thank you so much for restoring and bringing back hope. Thank you very much, Mr. President.
Dori buanga manda kala rirume rihone aringaba shonisi ridoita zo fanelao
Please Ramaphosa, phambili ka ANC